Welcome to Blooms. Here's a dashboard which contains everything you'll need when using Blooms. To view updates from all your classes and groups, simply go to the Show for All Groups feed. To add a profile picture to your account, simply click on the silhouette, then click on Change Profile Picture. The messaging feature in Blooms lets you easily communicate with teachers. First, proceed to the message section, then click on Add Message. Select the recipient, and that's it. Signing up for a parent-teacher conference is easy in Blooms. If a conference invite was sent out, it would either be in your feed, the sign-up section of Blooms, or your notification center. Simply click on one of the sign-up buttons to sign up for a time slot. Note: you can set a reminder for your time slot through Blooms when signing up. To sign up for a volunteer request, either go to your notification center, click on the Sign-ups tab, or go through your feed. Then click on Sign Up to sign up for a task or items to bring in. To download a photo in Blooms, click on the Media section of your dashboard. Then click on the Download button to download the photo. To view the behavior report of your child, simply click on the Behavior tab. To change your current email or notification settings, proceed to Settings. Click on Notifications or change email address.